Hey everyone, today I have a tutorial for you guys. I want to create a simple little card with you all, and I want to feature Scrap Diva Designs. Let me grab the stamp set. It is one of the last design team items that I need to play with. And so we're going to be using the tumbler stamp set number 2. Guys, this is going to be really cute, especially with this one for St. Patrick's Day. Sending good luck vibes. You also have Crafter's Fuel. This coordinates with her tumbler die set. If you don't have it, you need it in your stash. You had me at Craft Store. Good vibes. I put the Pro and Procrastinate. And then With Love, Handmade for You, where you can put this on anything having to do with crafting or just even anything that you hand make, it would be perfect for. Okay, and then I'm also going to be featuring, yesterday I hauled some dies from the stamp market, and we are going to be using, I don't know what I did with the plastic. Ooh, sorry guys, I don't know what I did with it, but it is one of the new frame ones that I just hauled yesterday. So if you missed that video, go ahead and check it out. So this is the smaller of the frames that I picked up. You can totally do this with Scrap Diva Design. She has a few frame dies. I just really want to bust this one open and, you know, use them together. So I'm going to be cutting out 2 of the bigger piece. There's like 2 different size frames. I think it comes like this. And then the other set is like this. And then you get a flower and then a bow and another one. Okay, so I cut out 2 of the bigger ones and I cut that out in white. I went ahead and I stamped good vibes and sending good luck vibes. And if you're curious, I use this color here from the stamp market. It is fresh pink and I love the way that it looks. And then I went ahead and I cut both of these frames, and as you can see, they layer really beautifully. So this is gonna be my cover. We'll add some sequins, and then I went ahead and I glued some tulle on the back of this. And I'm just gonna trim it a little bit on where I missed some pieces. But this is gonna be my shaker window. I'm not gonna use any foam. I can never find my foam when I need it, you guys. I need to put it in a better place. I need to store it in a better place so that when I need it, I can grab it. So this is my little hack when you don't feel like, you know, grabbing any foam. If you don't feel like making a shaker with foam, all you need is your tool and your hot glue or your glue of choice. All right, so on my second piece, which is gonna be my inside, I put Sending Good Luck Vibes. And I went ahead and I scored 1/4 of an inch on top. And I went ahead and I folded that over like so. This is gonna make a hinge for your 2 cards. So let's go ahead and add some glue. This is a super simple card you can do. I want to cut that bow out and see how it looks. But you guys can use any dies to create this cute little card. You can just do a little square. Totally up to you. But like I said, I wanted to bust into this set while I had it out. Let me grab my bone folder. And I'm just gluing that little tiny little tip that we went ahead and scored, so that when you open it, it opens just like that. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's add some sequins. I have this little set that I found in my trunk. I don't think I can open it. Elijah, give us a day so we can open it. Okay, so I'm gonna use some sequins that I just have laying around. And I'm gonna use my magnets to hold this down because the flap, so you probably wanna do this before you glue it together. Thank you, baby. And this one has like a bunch of iridescent and hearts. I don't know if I wanna use this dark plum color. I think I'm gonna take those out. Just really use the iridescent ones. But grab your favorite sequin mix or just create one by grabbing a bunch of different sequins. Sorry if you hear my family, guys. Okay. Kind of want to put like 1 or 2 of these, but I'm just going to take them out. I think they're too dark. All right, so we have that. Let's add a few more of these sparkly ones, these iridescent ones. All right, I think that's good. And just a few more of these muted pink ones. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I usually use my hot glue, but I'm gonna use my wet glue today. And I'm gonna use my magnets to hold this down. If you guys do not have a magnetic mat from Glassboard Studio, you need to grab one, guys. It is an investment, but it's worth every penny. I suggest that you start off with a small one and grab the magnets because they just come in handy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to, here we go. I'm gonna try to center it as best I can. Ooh, line it up. Just like that. Give it a good press. And then this is where our Glassboard Studio mats and magnets come in handy. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a magnet. And the dies do stick to the magnets, guys. So be careful, whatever you have metal on your desk, it will cling to it. These magnets are super strong. They hold like 35 or more pieces of paper. You guys can use my code Poochie15, I believe, and it saves you 15% off your entire purchase, okay? If you guys don't have those, again, every month Glassboard Studio comes out with a new glass mat. This one right here is Sugar Cookie, and it was supposed to be only for December, but they're actually still selling it. So if you're still interested in this mat, it is available. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch the magnets. Let it hold down that glue and do the gluing, the work for me. While that's gluing, drying, let's go ahead and cut out. And then you also get these pieces from the inside of the frame, so you can layer those up real pretty and use it on another project. We're gonna go ahead and cut this. So let me get my little die cutting machine. And I'm trying to think, what paper do I want to use? Let's throw in a darker color. This one is Shabless. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this because I want to see how this bow looks. You guys know if it's a bow die set, I have to have it. So we'll go ahead and run that through. Our die cutting machine. And then our shaker card should be nice and dry. Those magnets, they come in handy, guys. I can't believe I haven't been using them all this time like that. And then we got the little center. I'll probably put a different center. All right, so let's check out this little bow die. Here goes our little shaker. So you see that there's enough room to do just a little shaking. I mean, I don't want to cover up the good vibes, so I probably use too many sequins. You guys let me know down below. I know people love to do acetate, but I love tulle. I really do. All right, so this is the bow. And it definitely doesn't go like that. It's more of a like down hanging bow. I don't know if I want to add it, guys. I could always cut the tails down. Oh, you know what? This is supposed to be like the hanging piece of a frame is what it's designed for, like that. That's what it's designed for. I do have the Amarylis flowers from Scrap Diva. And maybe we'll do those. Do I have a pink one laying around? I use most of them. I need to make some more. I told myself I wouldn't need many, but I lied to myself. Yeah, I'm not seeing another flower. Let me see. Look at that cute little bow and arrow from Scrap Diva. That's kind of cute. I'm just trying to see what I have in my stash. We could always go with one of my little bows. Yeah, that's cute. Guys, this is a really cute element hanging on top. But not for a card. I'm not gonna do it for a card. Bear with me. I got all kind of trinkets and stuff around. All right, let me close my glue up. Let's start there. But I just wanted to make a quick little cute shaker card with you all. Where did my pin go? I don't know. I'm liking the flowers. I'm just trying to find another one. Let's see in here. I know I gotta have another flower somewhere. So let's go ahead and bust out the Amarylis die set and let's make some more flowers because it's gonna bug me that I don't have any more cut. All right, so we have our card almost together. I think I'm liking the way that's looking. You guys let me know what you think. Let's grab a cardstock. And you get 3 different sizes on this die set. Guys, don't forget, use my code. I forgot to mention. Use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase on scrapdivadesigns.com, okay? Let's go ahead and cut. I'm trying to see what cardstock I want to use. I want to use a darker pink though. Let's just go for it, you guys. I feel like I'm gonna change this bow out because it's not gonna match. I want to match the bow. I do have this one. Let's use Fussy. I got some Fussy. Sorry, I plan on this video being short, but that's what happens when you're crafting. Sometimes you get an idea for something else. All right, so let's go ahead and run this through. And we'll choose what bow we want to use. So guys, let me know down below, what is your favorite Scrap Diva Designs die set from the February release? I need to know. There's so many cute ones. I don't know if I'll be able to choose just one. All right. So what I would do is I would just get your scraps and just die cut a bunch of these and just have a night of flower making and you have all these ready to go. All right, let's poke these through. All right. We just need 2 of them, really. And we're gonna go ahead and stack these, offset them with a little bit of glue. Look, I see another flower, but it's white. I wanted to add a pink one to the mix. So stagger them like this, let them dry. Let me stick them under a magnet. And while that's drying, let me get my little balls, my little gold balls for the center. And let me get my little rounding tool. I don't know where I put it. I don't know what I did with those tools. I've got to do some major organizing, because I just be hiding stuff from myself at this point. Yeah, I have no clue what I did with those rounding tools. So let's see. That should be dry. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my little poking tool and round these a little bit. And just roll it up like so. And then I'm gonna take my hot glue. But first I'm gonna grab 3 little balls. I'm gonna do 3 in the center of this one. And then I'll go ahead and put my glue. And then stick them in there, let the glue dry. Make sure they're where you want them. Like, now's the time to place them where you want them. And just let that dry a little bit. Let's bring back our card and start gluing these. So I'm doing a big, a medium, and a small. There's a larger size. Here's the medium. And then let's put the small one right on the corner. Just like so. Should have moved it up a little bit more. No, I just broke a stem. Don't do that. Make sure you position them where you want them first. Plan them out first. All right, I'm just gonna stick that back in there. And there goes our cute little card with the flowers. Let's go ahead and add a bow. I feel like this one matches more to the flower. So let's go ahead and glue that there. This is a simple, cute little card that you can create with these sets, guys. Look at how cute. Good vibes, and then sending good luck vibes. All right, so that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to do a short and sweet, simple video that is beginner friendly. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this card, and I will catch you all in the next video. Don't forget, use code Poochie10 on scrapdevildesigns.com, and I will have the dies linked down below. Bye, everyone.